Sigma on the wall. Yo, what's up peeps? It's me, MCat here, and today we will be reacting to a video from the Amazing Digital Circus. Now, there has been a reference in this, which is actually a reference to an animation made by the creator of the Amazing Digital Circus, Gooseworks. She is the creator of the Amazing Digital Circus and animated it. And Glitch is the producer. And so, if you go right here, like somewhere, oh, should be here.
Fine.
Go here.
Oh, thank God you're okay. You didn't experience a game show in there, did you?
Yes, a game show. So that game show that Kinger was talking about was actually from an animation from Gooseworks. So we're gonna react to the thing that Kinger was talking about. So we're gonna copy this little Runmo. This is posted 4 years ago, and we are gonna react to it. As you can see, this is the thing that Kinger was talking about. And someone has actually made this game. I played it too. Ooh, that was tricky. Just gonna try again. You're looking at it. Oh, never mind. It only has one life left. Hint, falling in the pit kills you. Yeah. I sometimes wonder, what at one point in the pit do you actually die? It's at when you land at the bottom of the screen, right? Oh, it's gonna go there, right? Yeah. Yep. Huh? There it is! Oh my. Oh. Lives. Those are his lives. I'm gonna need it. Wait. They're being ground up. Yes, they're being ground up into like some kind of sludge thing. You gotta get them, man. Huh? Is that a fist? No, wait, that's not a fist. Oh, he drinks it. Wait, that's not. I can tell that's not a fist because yes, fists don't have. It's like Jabba the Hutt. Oh! He banging. You're out of my line, child. Ooh! Uh-oh. final life. Oh, he's gonna sit down again. I suppose I should have mentioned that wasn't his final life back then. However, this one you're right on it is. I had it on. Alright, go. Yeah, go to the storage. Go to the storage. Yeah. You want to be beat up by the king again. Storage. That won't be dangerous. Careful. Oh, shoot! Oh. Is it me or is... Wait, pause. Is it me or is that the background sound? Wait, yeah, that's the sound from the background. Oh, no, not the background. I mean, the back rooms. That's the sound from the back rooms. But this was posted way before the back rooms. Meatball man? Yo. But that's so large. It's lives! Lives! There he is! That's the meatball man. Is it me or is that the heavy voice? Delice's meatballs! Go! Come on! Come on! How did you win that fast? You could have won that! Okay, he's like, nope, I'm not going there again. You could have won that fast when you're trying to get those lives. Well, that actually looks kind of cool. It also fits for my favorite color, blue. Maybe right now, it looks like it'll be fast. You're gonna ride that. Oh! Huh? How? How? What? We got there! Hey, they got there! Nice. Yeah, wait. Yeah, these are not, but you have no lives to get. Can you drink it? Oh, uh-oh. Careful. Yeah. Oh! Bones. He died because he didn't have the Runmo life drink. He's got tiny little legs. He's got tiny little knees. I mean, he's got tiny thighs. Is his thighs at the bottom or at the top, bro? Go drink. Oh! Temp. Oh! Big and chubby. He definitely looks fish. Oh, he's a frog. Yep, definitely a frog. Oh. Oh! This is the thing that Kinger was talking about. Also, that looks like bubble. Real abundance. Uh-oh.
So close. Raise the acid. Don't spend your money. You know you want that sugary one-up, so don't waste them. Nice.
Get the one-up. You don't want. Yes!
Final spin.
It pranked you! No! He was literally on the one-up. Do not move it. Oh, please get the one-up. Oh. Ooh. Oh, he died. Not Runmo. Yeah, obviously Runmo wouldn't die. Captain literally just died so quick though. Oh, the... Look at his butt. There's some gross. Yo. So he keeps the dead body. That looks like a messed up ET. Yeah. Oh. He's a vacuum cleaner for the... He's a vacuum cleaner for a mouth. Ooh. Bones. Yes! We got out of there! Yes! Jump? Oh. No, it's not what you think it is. He thinks it's a one-up. He thinks it's a one-up. Oh no! Told you it wasn't a one-up. Look, you can tell it's not a one-up. Jumbo was yellow. Purple. Only a
mine. It appears a crime had been committed. A crime against the federal institutions.
ooh! He's got marvelous lines.
Let me shut you
Oh! He's doing it! Yes! Yes! Oh. Yes! Wait, was that a bad thing? Is it like a bad thing? Yes! You got 3 lives. Nothing happened, but he definitely remembers. He definitely remembers. This boy. His own name. Wait, what happened to this? What happened to Peggy? Go! You did it! I wanna. You did it! Yes! Wait, watch out! Little Runmo! Yo! Yo, that was a good one. Runmo. A little Dangos. Dangos or Dangos? Like it. Yo, the drain can. The funny farm. Did we show the funny farm? The gourds. The wrecking ball. There are names for all of these men. The meatball man, yep. Cheesy, wait, what's that? Did we ever show Cheesy Farm? Security booth. Benny, the temp king. Oh, it's a temp king, not temp. The bones. That means the medium large one. The late jumper. Marble eyes, the god of concept of life. Yo, that was a good one. I like that. I think I'm gonna love that. Oh. I think I'm gonna love that even more than Disney Circus, bro. That was a good one. Okay. That was amazing, bro. That was amazing. I love that. I love it so much. So I think Little Runmo was amazing. Little Runmo was amazing. Yep, it was amazing. Oh, hey, even Via Melon reacted to it. Cool. Oh, she reacted. So, I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!